Facing the Arabian Sea, Mumbai is often called the commercial capital of India. Remnants of British colonial culture blends into local lives. It's a land divided between slums and high-rises. But for foreign ventures, it's their land of opportunity.
One of the best things that ever happened to this country is after Modi came to power last year. It's kind of a shift from politics more on the economy development. So they decide to really open this country to the world to attract more foreign capitals.
Hong Qing is heading the Mumbai branch of the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, one of the big four Chinese state-owned banks and the world's richest. ICBC has carved out niche markets for itself in a sector largely dominated by Indian banks. The Mumbai branch is among the 43 foreign banks in India and the only Chinese branch in the country. Meanwhile, there are about 6 Indian banks setting up branches and offices in China. Hong said the local laws and regulations have limited the bank's expansion.
India is well known for their conservative in terms of regulates the financial sectors. We face the capital requirement, liquidity requirement, and single borrower limits. So, which limits our expansion in terms of business expansion a lot.
Being the first Chinese bank to open a branch in India, the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China started with corporate banking. The quick expansion of bilateral trade investments has provided the bank with new opportunities. China's Belt and Road Initiative and Modi government's Make in India strategy has given both countries opportunities for more cooperation. The two countries have set trade targets of $100 billion this year, up from the current $71.6 billion in 2014. Enhanced spending on infrastructure implementation and projects and more reform measures are expected to provide further impetus to the Indian economy, giving rise to growing credit needs for banks in India. Standard & Poor's estimates a 2 to 3% in credit growth next year. ICBC currently provides financial services in a number of sectors, and one of its clients, the Indian infrastructure company JSW Steel, finds ICBC's global expertise helpful.
As India embarks with the next phase of growth, and it has a huge potential to move in a global growth, it requires an expertise and network of a large global bank like ICBC. They also have an experience of dealing with the Chinese economies and industries which have grown phenomenally over the last decade or so. So with that experiences, and they would be able to advise and also facilitate the growth of Indian companies.
The Mumbai branch of ICBC is leading the way for banking cooperation between China and India, but it may soon be joined by its mainland peers, with the Bank of China currently applying for permits to enter into the Indian market. And Hong is optimistic that the improved business environment will allow both sides to further explore the world's two fastest growing economies. Zhang, Nini, CCTV, Mumbai.